योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्.
Hello students, welcome to the session. I am Professor Asif Khan from CDI Department, Gujarat University. Today we are going to see the topic called AutoFill in Excel. We have already understood what is an Excel, how Excel works. Today we are going to see one of the functionality or the feature of an Excel called AutoFill functionality. Autofill means automatic filling of values is called autofill. Automating the data entry. We are entering some data, but if you want to do some automation based on the patterns of the data, then we can use the autofill option in our Microsoft Excel and business data management in Microsoft Excel. Now, automating data entry is for business data management and which we are doing in our Microsoft Excel. Here you can see the simple and the basic example is given. If you want to write something like this, here first you can see 11/12/2018. The next one is 11 is same, 2018 is same. This 12 converts into 13. Now 13 convert into 14. 14 is converted into 15, 15 into 16, 16 into 17 and 17 into 18. Now if you do click here, it will show you an icon of plus, and if you click and scroll till here, so what it will do, it will by default fill all the values. It will by default fill all the values 11, 19, 2018, 11, 20, 2018, 11, 21, 2018 and so on. It will autofill value based on the patterns of your above previous rows or the entries in your Excel. So let us see the same. Learning objective of today's session will understand the core feature of autofill, how we can perform autofill in our Microsoft Excel. We will eliminate the repetitive task. How we can eliminate the repetitive task, that is the redundant task which are using more than one time. Generate complex series. If we are having some format of series, some pattern, then how we can generate the same series to its longer length. Replicate the formulas instantly. If you want to replicate the formula also, that time also you can use the autofill option of an Excel. Why this matter for us as a BA student? Because as a non-technical students, manual data processing is our biggest hurdle. So autofill is our first step towards the professional workflow efficiency. Now, what is autofill? The word itself suggests filling of data automatically is called autofill. Pattern recognition engine. Excel automatically recognizes the pattern. If you write something like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then select all these, here it will show you an icon of plus. If you click on this icon of plus and then drag your mouse, it will fill all these values 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to whatever column you drag your mouse. So it may be 20 or something. So this is what pattern recognition. It recognizes the pattern of the previous entries and based on that it will automatically fill the data based on your requirement. It maximizes the data integrity. That is, it mitigates the manual typos. If you are typing manually, there may have some errors. For an example, after 8 there may have a chance it will directly be 10 or something missing value can be there. But if you use the Excel automate function, that is autofill option of an Excel, then it will always give you accurate answer. Now real world applicability. For an example, if there are another things, for an example, if you write January, February, Jan, Feb, March and so on, and here if you click on this plus and scroll, so it will do till December. Even if you scroll more than December, then it will again start from Jan, Feb, March and so on. So this is the autofill option of an Excel. The fill handle tool. How autofill option tool works? Using the fill handle tool. There is a tool called fill handle. Here you can see the small plus is given here. If you click on this number, on this cell, there is an option there is an icon called small plus that is known as a fill handle. If you click on this and drag your mouse till here, so it will fill all the number series. So locating and dragging. First you need to go to the cell and make the cell as the active cell, and then you need to drag your mouse by clicking that cell. Now creating automatic series. How to create automatic series? So numeric series as well as chronological and text list series are already feeded in our Excel document. Standard sequence. If you write 1 and 2 and select both, and you will draw. If you write 1, 2 and then you select both and then you press and drag this, so it will print you the complete series 7, 8 till when you see. Custom increment. If you write 10, 20, 10, 20, 30 and then you drag, so it will be doing 40, 50, 60. So Excel is smart enough to handle the pattern or recognize the pattern, and based on the pattern recognition, it will do the auto filling of the data. Text number combination. Even if you write item 1 and then item 2 and then item 3 and then you select and you drag, so it will print item 4, item 5, item 6, item 7. So that is all, that comes under the numeric series. Second comes is the chronological or also known as the text list. Now if you write days of the week, either you write Monday, the whole Monday, the complete Monday, MONDOY, or you write MON, or you write Tuesday, the complete Tuesday, or you write TUES. If you select this and drag, so it will print the complete week list in full form. Here if you do the same, it will do in short form. Calendar month, similarly for January, February, March up till December, and after December it will again start with January. If you write quarter also, then also it will be working the same. If you write quarter 1, QTR1, QTR2, and if you drag, then QTR3, QTR4, and then again it will loop back to quarter 1, because there are only 4 quarters in a year. Now working with date and schedules. How we can work with date and schedule? Dates are the foundational in business data management. AutoFill lets you quickly create a custom chronological progressions without manual calendar checks. First comes daily interval. If you write 1/1/2026 and drag it downward, so what it will do, 1/2/2026, 1/3/2026. It will do the daily consecutive, the next, very next, and weekdays only. It will generate employee schedule by choosing to fill weekdays only. So this also we will done using the Excel AutoFill. Monthly cycle. If you write, it also create the fiscal end of month sales. For example, that Jan 31, Feb 28, and then drag. So it will be generating the report based on the number of days present in the month. Business quarter. If you create the business quarter, then also it will Q1 2026, Q1 to Q2 2026, and then drag to Q3 2026, Q4 2026, and then again Q1 of 2027. Now copying the formula. How copying the formula works? Automatic reference shifting. If you copy the formula, for an example, here there is a marks of subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 of roll number 1, 2 and 3. Here the marks is 20, 30, 40, 40, 30, 20, 30, 20, 40. Here if I apply the property of sum, and if I do, suppose this is our A, B, C, D. This is my column. So if I do, and this is our 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our row number. So if I do B2 to D2, B2 to D2, if I do like this, and if I copy the formula and press plus here and copy it here, so what it will do, it will directly change the reference. It will be B3 to D3, it will be B4 to D4, 4 and so on. So this is how the cell referencing works in a Excel formula also. Now autofill option menu. What are the different options of an autofill? First one is a copy cell. We can copy the cell. Second one is the fill series. We can fill the series. A third one is the formatting only. We can use it for formatting. And the fourth one is the flash fill, which we can use for intelligent AI feature that extracts or formats the text patterns. So these are some of the options menu which are provided by autofill in our Excel. Now using autofill in business analysis, how we can use the autofill option in our business analysis. So if we do any kind of business analysis, we can use autofill. Autofill, that is automatic filling of the data based on our pattern recognition of the previously entered or the feeded data. It's called autofill. So it is very much useful in business analytics. So if you are going for the human resource, then monthly employee attendance tracker, wage schedules and shift schedules, all that can be done using autofill. Inventory control. If you go to the domain of the inventory control, generating the consecutive item codes. There are some items which are having some item codes. So if you want to generate the consecutive item codes, that can be generated using the autofill option. Sales operation. If you want to do some operations on the sales data, extending monthly revenue targets, sales growth, calculation and commission, all these can be done using autofill option of the Excel. Accounting and finance, the main and the important. Populating the quarterly ledger indices, tax percentages and fiscal timeline, all these can be done using autofill option in our these. Here you can see the direct operational value. It saves hours daily, it gives you perfect accuracy, it is flawless, and this one is clean ledger audits. So that was all regarding the autofill in our Excel. Autofill in Excel. Autofill is one kind of automation in Excel which begins with the autofill. One of the simplest yet most powerful productivity tools which is available to our professionals in our Microsoft Excel, which we can use. Eliminate repetitive work. We don't need to repeat our work. For an example, if we want to repeat the same pattern, that time we can use the autofill option, and then we no longer need to repeat the same pattern again and again. Multi-format usability. If you are having different format, based on the pattern, it will recognize the format and it will give you in the desired format only. And formulas replicator also. Even if you are using the autofill option for formulas, then it will also change the cell reference as per your requirement and need. So that was all from my side on the topic of autofill. Hope you guys understand it and enjoyed the session. See you in the next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you everyone.